Your perfect mountain retreat awaits you in Highlands, North Carolina. This lovely home features lots of natural wood and refinished floors. With 3 bedrooms, split plan, and 2.5 baths on the main level, it also features a garage, workshop, and additional room downstairs that could be a family room, den, office, exercise room, extra sleeping, or whatever you need it to be. These owners have made great improvements, including a new deck, retaining wall, new paint, encapsulated crawl space, appliances, and the price includes furnishings. It is ready to go this summer for your own special place or to rent out. Has a lovely yard in back and nice patio. This type home is very sought after in the Highlands and not far from town. It has been lived in year-round, but it also great for summer or vacation use. Don't tarry. Come sit by the fireplace, on the deck, porch or patio, and breathe in the fresh mountain air.